How to delete Instagram chat from both sites permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'll show you how to permanently remove an Instagram conversation without leaving any traces. Let's dive right in. So, first of all, open up your Instagram and then go to the chat that you want to delete. So if you have sent the chat, what you can do is long tap on your chat and then tap on unsend, and that's it. Now the message will be unsent for both of you. But wait, there's another way. You can also delete the chat by using a little trick. In the chat screen, swipe up and then activate vanish mode. So once you activate vanish mode, you can chat however you want and how long you want, and you can change the settings. You have to swipe up again to access the vanish mode. Once you swipe up again, you have turned off disappearing messages. So now, after a while, you can see that all the chats that you have sent have disappeared. And this will delete the chat from both sites permanently. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.